Welcome back, everyone. Today we have a trim and tilt on a 45 Chrysler. Now, I haven't tested this. I picked this up a little while ago, and this is the first time I'm testing it. And here we go. Press the button. Well, that's all good. I like that. That works just fine. A little bit of paint, some cleanup. It'll look brand new. Just like this one. Hee. I got a 45 back there. Got this 45 I'm going to put it on. This one doesn't have trim and tilt, and it has a broken hookup. So this one right here is going to get this setup. Let's Tracy go down. Oh yeah. There she goes. Love it. It works beautiful. Excellent. I love that. Now I just got to take it all apart. That's where the fun begins. Thanks for watching. Bye.